Hello everybody, Jack the Railfan here. As you can see, it is John Deere Day on the layout today. I have this tiny model of a John Deere 720 tractor that can work this farm right here. Brought out my brother Trey's Lionel Lion Chief RS-3, painted in John Deere because he is a farmer through and through, and he loves John Deere. And this locomotive hasn't been doing a lot of work on the layout lately because his control board was fried. He hasn't been able to run it a lot lately, and by extension, I have not, so it hasn't been working in my videos lately. But his birthday was a little while ago. He got this new remote. It is a great addition to the collection because it can run all three Lion Chief locomotives we have at our disposal. We've already programmed it as one, so let's give it a try. Alright, it works.
Dispatcher here. Please hold for track orders. Over. Roger. Let me know when I can hold.
Alright, that works great. And it's good to have another locomotive on the layout back at work because Trey also got this brand new Menards Pennsylvania flat car with a Ford COE Sunoco fuel truck on it. I think it's a 1956, but I could be wrong. And with the longer trains, we of course need some extra motive power because the Pennsylvania Flyer, well, it can handle these trains just beautifully. I think a double header is in order for a future video, perhaps. And to match this COE, I got this 1946 Ford panel van. Correction, it's a 1948, not a 1946. A Sunoco service vehicle to go to the customers and see if they have any problems or fix any problems they might have. So now Sunoco is on the layout. We have a official fuel delivery business to heat that house, provide lubricant for that barn perhaps, heat everything. Another thing that has been added to the layout room, that shelf is one thing, and my buddy John. He is a John Deere 70 diesel tractor from the 1950s, and he has a real bad headache. He's made quite a mess of his hood because of it, all caused by a silly blown head gasket. So my dad is taking apart the engine partially. He's gonna put it back together very, very soon, and the weather outside isn't ideal for being under and working on a tractor right now, so he brought it inside to make it much more pleasant to work on my buddy John. We'll wipe down the hood to get all this stuff off. This is coolant that blew out of there, made a mess of it last time it ran, which was actually about 2 years ago. It has a V4 gas engine instead of an electric starter, a pony motor similar to how a Caterpillar machine would work. And aside from the blown head gasket, it's pretty much perfect. It's been repainted, incorrect decal placement in some cases here, but that's no big deal. Doesn't affect its usefulness. And because of moving it in here, the whole room has gotten spruced up. A lot of the mess that you might have seen in the background of some of my other videos has been taken care of, and aside from a couple boxes right here, it's mostly taken care of and just away from the layout. Got a lamp there. Some of my styrofoam I use to make hills is in the way of the tracks at the moment, but tomorrow I could be filming a great doubleheader video with the RS-3 and the Pennsylvania Flyer, possibly even the two diesels together, so watch out for new videos because I am very excited to try out new camera placements like this right here. So, I think that'll be it for this video. Just a pretty simple update on some of the more recent developments on the layout. If you want to help my channel, help my videos get recommended to more people, leave a like and subscribe. Hit the bell to get notifications every time I post. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!